Hello kids! Let's learn some colors name. Violet color, dark green color, sky blue color, dark blue color, purple color, pink color, red color, yellow color, light green color, brown color, orange color. Let's try to draw some 2D shapes. Square, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon, oval, heptagon. Square, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon, oval, heptagon, red color, orange color, light green color, pink color, sky blue color, violet color, square, parallelogram, hexagon, pentagon, oval, heptagon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello kids. Sky blue color, violet color, pink color, red color, purple color, black color, brown color, yellow color, orange color, dark green color, dark blue color, light green color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. Red color, A for avocado. Orange color, B for broccoli. Light green color, C for cherry. Sky blue color. D. D for dolphin. Violet color. E. E for eggplant. Purple color. F. F for fruits. Dark blue color. G. G for grapes. Brown color. H. H for house. Dark green color. I. I for iron. Yellow color. J. J for jellyfish. Pink color. K. K for king. Sky blue color. L. L for lollipop. Red color. M. M for mother. Purple color. N. N for nose. Orange color. O. O for ox. Light green color. P. P for parrot. Dark blue color. Q. Q for queen. Brown color. R. R for rose. Black color. S. S for strawberry. Yellow color. T. T for train. Red color. U. U for universe. Orange color. V. V for violin. Light green color. W. W for watermelon. Dark blue color. X. X for X-ray. Pink color. Y. Y for yak. Sky blue color. Z. Z for zipper. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.